Right, question 14. The diagram shows the route the dolphin swam from Port Key. So he swims from Port Key to Rigby and then Rigby to J Cliff. Rigby is on a bearing of 232 degrees from Port Key. What that means, we're going from Port Key. When you do bearings, it's always from the north line. It's always clockwise. So they're telling me this angle all the way around to the line is 232 degrees. I can see this is a straight line. So because that is a straight line, that angle is 180 degrees. But because all of it, because we said all of it was 232 and 180 makes a straight line, it means the bit that's left, the bit inside the triangle, is going to be 52 degrees because 180 plus 52 makes 232. So I know the angle in the triangle is 52. As soon as I see an angle, it's a good chance we're going to be using trigonometry. So the distance from Port Key to Rigby, so Port Key to Rigby is 3.2. Calculate how far the dolphin has swam altogether. So the dolphin has swum 3.2 meters plus this length here because he ends up in J Cliff. So we need to work out this distance here, which is from Rigby to J Cliff. Right, when you're dealing with one side and one angle, it's trigonometry. If you remember trigonometry, it's SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. So let's have a look then. Opposite the angle is called the opposite. The longer side, which is opposite the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. And the third side, which we are not dealing with because there's no numbers next to it or arrows or question mark, is the adjacent. So I then write down my rule. SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. I want to find the opposite, so I'm ticking off O. And I know the hypotenuse. So the one with both ticked off is so. So if you remember the rules of trigonometry, S goes first and that sign stands for sine of the angle. Is equal, O, as we just realized was the opposite, is always divided by the last letter, which is H. And this one is hypotenuse. I can now replace them. So theta, the angle, is 52. So I'm going to write sin 52 is opposite, which is question mark, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 3.2. Does that make sense? And now you want the question mark on its own. So the opposite of divide by 3.2 goes up and becomes, when it goes over the other, it becomes the opposite in times. So it becomes 3.2 times sin 52 is the question mark. You do not press shift when you're finding a side. You only press shift when you're doing an angle. So I'm typing in 3.2 times sin 52 equals 2.52 kilometers. So the total distance is 3.2 plus 2.52, which is 5.72 kilometers.